Hello friends, welcome back. So today's recipe is slightly a different one. I'm making a curry out of a fruit. Yes, I'm making guava curry. Amrood ki khatti meethi sabzi. Sometimes, when we buy fruits, they are not so sweet and edible. So we can make use of them in this way by making some curry with it. So this curry has no onion, no garlic, but it has the richness of cashew nuts in the gravy. We can make it during the fasting period and enjoy it with our fasting menu, fasting food, rotis made with kuttu ka atta and shingade ka atta. So let's proceed to make the curry. These are the ingredients. I've taken about 2 tomatoes and 8 to 10 cashew nuts for the gravy. 2 guavas, select firm ones, slightly raw, not overripe. About 1 tablespoon of raisins, few cashew nuts, jaggery about 1 teaspoon, half a teaspoon red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, cumin seeds about half teaspoon, cumin powder quarter teaspoon, coriander powder quarter teaspoon, garam masala quarter teaspoon, 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of whisked yogurt, and coriander leaves. Now put the sliced tomatoes and cashews into a mixie jar and grind them to make a puree. No need to add water as the tomatoes have enough liquid. Remove this into a bowl. The puree is ready. Now place a pan on the gas and add the oil. Lightly fry the cashew nuts. I've slit them into halves. We are going to add these to the gravy. Now they are done, lightly golden brown. You can remove them. Set them aside. In the same pan, crackle the cumin seeds. Reduce the flame so that they don't get burnt. Now dip in the puree, tomato and cashew nut puree, and continue to stir it. Stir it for about a minute or so till the oil separates. Now reduce the flame and simmer it. Meanwhile, we are going to slice the guava fruit. Cut them into long strips. I'm not going to discard the seeds as the fruit is tender. If the fruit is large size, then the seeds are quite tough. You have to remove the seeds. After simmering, you can see the oil is separated. Now we'll proceed to adding the spice powders. Add the turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, quarter to half teaspoon according to your preference, whatever you like. Little bit of salt. You can add rock salt if you are fasting. Stir everything together. Now you can add the whisked yogurt. When you see the oil is separating, you can add the yogurt and immediately keep stirring it so that it doesn't curdle. Stir it well with a spatula. Now add the guava pieces. Saute a little. Add the cumin powder and the jaggery. You may also add the sugar instead, but if the guava is sweet, you can skip adding them. Keep stirring. Now put about 3/4 cup of water into the mixie jar, remove all the remaining contents and stir it into the pan. Add the raisins also and the fried cashew nuts. Few coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, cover the lid and simmer. You don't have to overcook this curry, it will be done in a minute or so. You can see after a minute it's almost done. The guava pieces should not be overcooked. Now check for the salt. Finally, sprinkle the garam masala powder on top. This sweet and tangy and spicy curry is really very delicious. You must try it out during the Navratras because this has no onion, no garlic. The curry is done. Dish it out. I have served it with kuttu ka paratha, the buckwheat flour flatbread. The link of the rotis is given in the description box below. You are definitely going to love this khatti meethi amrood ki sabzi.